To TronMakers. So in this one we're looking at level 5. So when we eventually move it to level 5, it will be a 250,000 TRX investment. Obviously you've benefited from the previous levels and accumulated the TRX. The incentive per partner is 20,000 TRX and it's paid to your 9 uplines. So we added another line here. So you can see the 9 uplines over here. Now you're qualified by paying this 250,000 TRX to receive earnings from all 9 downlines. So people that come after you. So that's fantastic. And you can see the number of partners that will eventually be under you would be 1,022, and the incentives that you pay out of your 250,000, 20 goes to all the uplines, and then you would likewise look forward to that 20,000 TRX returning back to you through all the new partners coming under. So the TRX profit would be 20.4 million, and you can see that calculation here, 20,000 times 1022, which is the number of partners that will be under you. TRX level 5, so it's fantastic. Make sure you've got your Tron link wallet and your Chrome browser set up with TRX in it. You can then hit the link below to join TronMakers.com and pay via the smart contract the 250,000 TRX when we move up to it. Of course, we're only up to level 2 at the moment on the team, so please don't move up higher so that the team moves together and everyone gets paid. So, hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to like, subscribe and share and hit the bell notification for more videos. Cheers.